Come take a look at this new 2013 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. For your protection, this vehicle has a full factory warranty. This vehicle gets an estimated 14 miles per gallon in the city, and an estimated 18 on the highway. This Silverado 1500 boasts a 5.3-liter engine, and has a 6-speed automatic transmission. Additional options for this vehicle include the GVWR, 6,800 pounds, 3084 kilograms, emissions, federal requirements, differential, heavy-duty automatic locking rear axle, 3.42 ratio, trailer brake controller, integrated, heavy-duty cooling package, heavy-duty, cooling, auxiliary external transmission oil cooler, heavy-duty air-to-oil, LS package, trailering package, heavy-duty and the suspension package, handling trailering, heavy-duty. Call 866-409-3464 or email our friendly sales staff today to schedule a test drive.